Hey, welcome to the channel, everybody. My name is Barry. Hey, thanks for watching this video or clicking on it. So today I'm gonna just drive this road, going downhill, going somewhere, and watching out for walls. And you know what reason I'm gonna go? I'm probably gonna go pound it slow because I'm gonna test out the front camber arms that I got. I have some RR Racing front camber arms. They're at -2.5 up front, so I'm gonna test out this -2.5 and just let's just see how it works. I mean, I've always had maxes with -1.8 off of natural camber, but this one, -2.5, it should help me do some twists and turns and rotate the car a little bit better. So let's go for it. Watching out for that, of course. So one thing I've noticed is that it does turn a lot more easily, but this thing also has more positive caster. So more positive caster with this upper control arm, it gives it a little bit more negative camber when I turn. That was pretty smooth for me. See how this works. Okay. Try my best to stay in the lane. Oh, okay. And turn. Okay, and yeah, I do feel that it's easier to turn now than before. I can say this thing does rotate in the back a little more. Well, it's not in the back, but in the front, it's easier to turn the steering wheel. Oh, look at these signs. Danger, danger. Danger, danger. Alright. Big rock, big rock. Okay, okay. There's a person walking, be careful. Lots of logs, lots and lots of logs. So I can say that it does feel a lot more easier to turn. The steering wheel is a lot more compliant. And I mean, the bushings and the upper control arms I have now are solid, so it's not rubber or poly or whatever OEM rubber is. So again, I can say it does help and add to the steering feel. Right now, it's doing pretty good. Probably gonna pass this guy. Oh, kind of hard. But yeah, so far so good with the upper control arms. I installed it in the winter, now it's spring. It's doing good. I'll take all the dust, give it to me. I want the smoke. I let the truck go ahead, do some downshifts, and I think by the time I speed up and give me like 10 seconds, I think I can catch them. I feel like I can catch them in like 10 seconds. Let's try it out. High speed chases. Oh, wall. Can I find him? Can I find him? Can I find him? Am I gonna find him? Am I gonna find him? Oh man, this turn is so much easier. I swear, it's so much easier. Ooh, big turn, big turn. Did I pass 7 seconds yet? Oh, there he is. And did I catch up? Did I catch up? Did I catch up? Wow. Man, I don't know if that was 10 seconds, but I caught up, and that was at the very back. So after leaving that village, got up to the trees, waited for him, and hopefully I caught up in 10 seconds. But man, those high-speed curves with more camber, it definitely felt a lot more smoother. It was definitely holding. It was definitely doing its thing. It was definitely a lot easier to steer than what it used to be. It was a lot easier to steer, a lot easier to hold on to the steering wheel as well. There's definitely no understeer. If anything, it might be a lot more oversteer than anything else. No, I'm just kidding. A little bit oversteer, but definitely no understeer. So I'd rather have oversteer than understeer. Understeer gonna just go into the wild. If you don't got camber in the front, I highly recommend getting camber in the front because, well, for spirited driving, for track driving, you're gonna need it. Well, track driving, you're gonna need it. For spirited driving, you want it. If you don't want to rub, you kind of want it. But overall, it's adding camber's not bad. Just don't go excessive. Just don't go like -4 or something crazy. I have mine set to -2.5 degrees up front, left and right. Yeah, doing good things. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna lie to you. I think I might have a -2.3 degrees in front. I gotta recheck, but it's doing good things. Look how nice it is out here in Germany. Open wild. So I'm stopped here in like the middle of the road, and I'm at like what, 41 right there, 41, 41, 41, 40. The pressures are a little too high for me that I think I'm gonna lower it to 36. I mean, for track I do like 33, but I'm gonna try to do 36 and let me see how it goes going back the other way. Do 10 seconds on each side. Hopefully that lowers the hopefully that lowers it. Car's looking kind of dirty. Pretty dirty. It's okay. All right. Man, it's been a while since I took this cap off. Man, I'm pretty good at this. This came out to 37. Yay! All right, I'm okay with 37 personally. Let's go and try this out. Hopefully it's not as bad, because it went from 41 to 37. That's 4 psi. Tires are still warm, so let's get it. Weird. I say weird because I went from 41 to 37 psi, and it's the weirdest thing because I feel more grip, which is of course a positive, but it's just weird that I decreased it from 4 psi. I dropped at 4 psi all 4 tires to 37 psi, and man, is there a lot more grip. It's weird. Weird that there's way more grip. I guess I had no, it wasn't flat enough with the third 41. Yeah, definitely feels more planted. Not gonna lie to you, it feels more planted. Alright, let's check those corners. Yep. Please don't make comments about putting it in manual. I had it in manual, now I have it in drive. It's okay because I'm recording, so I need somebody to help me shift. So, oh, I hear the squeal from my brakes. I think it's time for new brake pads. Oh, you hear that? Yeah, the right side. I hate these walls. Not as scary as the Nürburgring walls. Okay. Alright. Through the village. Town. Village, something. Okay. Man, this engine sounds amazing. I love the way this engine sounds. So different compared to all the other V8s. Oh, sorry about the sun. Let's see if I can get you guys an angle that has no sun. Or we'll just go back to the trees. Oh, there we go. blind spots everywhere. Turning is definitely a plus. Screw it, let's go to manual. Tire pressure is still looking good. Cornering's good. Hell, I think I'd rather probably drive with 34 PSI. That would probably be better. No, but then again, the tires are hot right now, so they're warmed up, so 36 is good. I would like for it to stay a consistent 36, but right now it's 36, 37. Oh, look at this turn. Oh, it's turning, it's turning. Oh my God, this thing is turning. Love it. Oh, come on, let's go. What do you got for me, Torner? What do you got for me? Nothing that these control arms can't take. Brake, downshift. Ooh, and go. Pow pow. Exhaust pow pow. I love the exhaust. Arc exhaust. Okay, what do you got for me? What do you got for me? More corners. Okay. Put a little window down. Get some exhaust noises in there. Engine revs, go bang bang. Oh, downshift. Ooh-wee. Little S curve there. Okay, come on. Oh man, blinding. All right, we have caught up to somebody. Oh, that's pretty much about the end of the road. So, upper control arms, that's a check. Lowering PSI, that's a check. Add them together. Yeah, add them together makes good things happen. It means good things are happening. Yeah, lower that PSI when you guys are trying to have some fun. Don't drive around at like 41 PSI or nothing crazy like that, because it's too much flex in the tire wall. If you well, one, tire brand too, but it's too much tire flex if you have really inflated tires, I would say. I could be wrong, I'm probably wrong, but right now, after doing what I just did, it felt like less tire flex, better control. It was a lot more contact patch with the ground because it felt a little more stable, it felt more grip. But overall, with the corners, the increased caster, increased camber from the upper control arms, yeah, they did his job. They did their job. So, but anyways, guys, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you guys have any questions about what I have with my car, camber, just hey, ask it. I'm not afraid to tell you what I got. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.